Does everybody know what time it is? Tool time! That's right, Bimford Tools is proud to present
Space Rogue.
That's right, it's tool time again. Evilgrade is a tool that's raised some discussion this week. It's a framework for injecting fake updates into a system. The attacker still needs to own DNS or phish the victim, but the end result is the ability to trick the victim app or OS into applying attacker-supplied updates. Very nice. Unfortunately, quite a few people see risks like this as a low priority because it's somewhat of an advanced attack, but that's the exact opposite thinking of what should be applied. Considering all the news lately about advanced persistent threats, this is an attack method that should get a lot of attention. After all, most of you are only discovering you're pwned when the cops or another victim clues you in. So attack vectors such as this should be examined more closely. Azure Storage Explorer is a useful GUI tool for inspecting and altering the data in your Windows Azure storage projects, including the logs of your cloud-hosted applications. It can view and edit blobs, queues, and tables within the cloud. It's up at codeplex.com. Maltego version 3.0.2 Update 1, the open source intelligence and forensics application, is now available for OS X. Let Pate-Vera be the last identity you Google. Also, keep your eye out for a hotfix from Pate-Vera later this week. Brian Carrier's The Sleuth Kit has been updated. TSK can be used with the Autopsy forensic browser, as well as with numerous plugins from the Sleuth Wiki. Check sleuthkit.org today. Also, Digital Forensics Framework, BlueLog Bluetooth Scanner, WinAutoPwn, SIP Inspector, Samhain, and W3AF, all tools we've told you about before, were all updated this week. Process Hacker is a new feature-packed tool, a lot like Process Explorer. So why mention it? Well, it has regex-based string searching, claims an 8x smaller CPU footprint, and has a ton of other features that seem quite useful. It's up at sourceforge.net. There's a new tool over at sysinternal you might find interesting. VMMap is a virtual and physical memory analysis utility. It shows a breakdown of a process's committed virtual memory types, as well as the amount of physical memory assigned to those types with a cool GUI. Powerful filtering and refresh capabilities allow you to identify the sources of process memory usage and the memory cost of application features. If you are looking for a flexible, intelligent fuzzer to discover traversal directory vulnerabilities, then look no further than .pwn version 2.1. It can find vulnerabilities in web, FTP, or TFTP servers, as well as CMSs, ERPs, blogs, and more. It's written in Perl and will work on Linux or Windows machines. And finally, have all these sexy Russian and Polish spies and episodes of 24 got your fingers itching for a USB attack stick? Well, USB Sploit is out at version 0.4 beta. It leverages auto-run, autoplay, and PDF-based USB infection and file dumping through Metasploit. Remember, you can find links to all the tools we mentioned here on Tool Time at hackernews.com in the comments section. That's it for this week's Tool Time. Join us next week for our salute to Tool Time.